Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you update your age on a Discord app or a Discord that is open in your browser. So the process is going to be same no matter what you are using. So currently I'm in Discord and I've opened a server. So what you need to do to update your age is that you need to submit a request with the Discord support team. You cannot do it directly from your account settings. So what is the process for that? First of all, you need to go to this question mark icon that says help. So the support.discord.com site will open up. So from here you need to go to this link that says submit a request. Now it asks you that what is your reason for which you want to submit a request. So from here you need to change to appeals and age update requests. Then it is going to take a second and load the form for you. So here you need to type in your email address. That's where you want to receive the emails related to the age update information, and it should be the same as the one that you're using in your Discord server. So it asks you for a confirmation, so just confirm that you are in the right place. Then again it asks you that how can they help. So you can simply just select update my age information. So you can optionally enter your phone number, your updated date of birth, and then you need to attach a photo ID or a ID that shows your age. So here is the terms and conditions related to it. Then you can just provide a subject and a description. So the subject is going to be please update my age, and the description is that my actual date of birth is so and so as mentioned in the document, but in the Discord server it is so and so, so please requesting you to update it. Then in the add file option you can just add that verification ID and submit the request. So that's the simple process. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.